your alphabet, alright? So what is this? Everyone say frontal.
Frontal.
Let's go to this class. Oh, hawakan to. Say parietal.
Parietal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say parietal.
Parietal.
That is class responsible for what? Say spatial.
Spatial.
You know spatial? Just like spatial lechon. Spatial sensory. Spatial enzymata. So other spatial. Okay. It is also class for what? Say language.
Language.
Manipulation.
Manipulation.
Calculation.
Calculation.
Damage in this area could lead to what? Calculation. Damage in this area could lead to what? Nursing profession. Right? Damage in this area could lead to what? Nursing profession. Because we have a problem in the calculation of the population. Tama? Yan. So say calculation. Guys, may mga tao ba magaling sa language, mahina sa math?
Yes.
May mga tao ba magaling sa math, mahina sa language?
Yes.